Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to create barcodes in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now before moving forward, what you have to do is you need to head over to a website called idautomation.com, and in here you need to download a font which is called Code 39 barcode font, and you can see we have the download now link in here, and you can simply click on that. By the way, you can find the link to this website in the description of this particular video, and once you download it, you can head over to your directory where it is downloaded and extract the zip file, since it is going to be in the zip file. So here, as you can see, this was the initial zip file and I extracted it into this particular file. And if you head over into this folder, here you have these two fonts that you are going to be installing on your computer. And now we are ready to add our barcode. So let's say if we type in here a number, so right click on your cell and head over to format cells, and from there you need to make sure that it is selected to number, and the decimal places you can just set it to 0 and click on OK, and now it is set to numbers. And now what we need to do is, from your fonts panel, drop down your fonts list, and in here we need to search for ID Automation HC39. Press enter, and that's it. Here you can see that our numbers are now converted into a barcode. So that's a pretty simple process. You can repeat the same exact process for alphabets also. So before that, you need to make sure that your cell is formatted to general. Click on general and click OK. And now let's say if you type in here AD 45 and a letter again and something like this, head over to your fonts from your font panel and select your font, which is ID Automation HC39. And here, as you can see, that our alphabets and numbers are now converted into a barcode. So that's a pretty simple process on how to create barcodes in Excel, and I really hope you learned something new and this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.